So you've put in the work building your website or YouTube channel, and now you're ready to get paid. But getting that Google AdSense approval can feel like hitting a brick wall. The truth is, most creators get rejected on their first try because of a few common and totally avoidable mistakes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your AdSense account the right way, so you can get approved on your first attempt and start monetizing all that hard work. Making your platform profitable is a huge milestone, but the AdSense application can feel like a final boss battle you didn't see coming. The good news? It's not about luck, it's about preparation. This guide is your ultimate resource, whether you're a blogger, business owner, or a YouTube creator. We're covering it all. The pre-application checklist most people ignore, the step-by-step sign-up, and the critical mistakes that lead to that dreaded rejection email. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to getting your account approved and ready to earn. Alright, before you even touch the AdSense website, let's talk about what Google is actually looking for. Getting this part right prevents 90% of rejections, so listen up. Think of this as staging your house before you try to sell it. First, the simple stuff. You have to be at least 18 years old to run your own AdSense account. This is a non-negotiable legal requirement. You'll also need a Google account, which you probably already have. Next up, and this is the big one, is your content. It's the #1 reason applications get denied. Google needs to see high-quality, original content that gives real value to your audience. That means no scraped articles, no copying from other sites, and definitely no thin posts that don't help anyone. For websites, a good rule of thumb is to have at least 20 to 30 solid, well-written articles published before you apply. Aim for each article to be in the 800 to 1500 word range, which shows you've covered the topic well. Regular posting also tells Google your site is alive and kicking. To look legit, your website needs 3 key pages: an About Us, a Contact Us, and a Privacy Policy page. These are non-negotiable. A privacy policy is mandatory for AdSense, as it tells users how their data is handled. The other 2 pages build trust by showing there's a real person behind the site. Your website's user experience is also under the microscope. It needs a clear navigation menu that's easy to follow. If your site is a confusing mess or you have broken links and under construction pages, you're heading for a rejection. It also absolutely must be mobile-friendly and load pretty fast. Now for the YouTube creators. Your path is a bit different. You don't apply for AdSense directly. Instead, you first need to get into the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To do that, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 hours of public watch time in the last 12 months or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. You'll also need at least 3 public uploads in the last 90 days. Once you hit these targets, YouTube Studio will prompt you to start the AdSense application right from there. Finally, a quick word on traffic. While Google has no official minimum traffic requirement, some real organic visitors show your site is legitimate. You don't need a huge audience, but a small, consistent flow of traffic definitely helps prove your case. Once you've polished your platform, it's time to apply. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. First, head to the official Google AdSense website and click Get Started. You'll choose the Google account you want to use. This is a crucial choice. If you're a YouTuber, make sure you use the same Google account tied to your channel. Next, enter the URL of your website. If you're only on YouTube, the process starts in your YouTube Studio, which handles all of this for you. Accuracy is everything here. AdSense will ask you for your payment country, and you'll agree to the terms. Then comes the customer information. You must, and I'm not kidding, provide your full legal name as it appears on your bank account. No nicknames. If your payment name doesn't match your bank info, you will have huge problems getting paid. You'll also need a valid mailing address and phone number. Google uses this address to mail you a physical PIN to verify your account once you hit the payment threshold, which is a key security step. Time to link your AdSense account to your site. The process is different for websites and YouTube. For a website,
AdSense gives you a small snippet of code. You need to copy this code and paste it into your site's HTML between the head and end head tags. If you're on WordPress and that sounds terrifying, the easiest way to do this is with Google's official SiteKit plugin. It handles all the code placement and verification for you, so you don't have to touch a thing. For YouTube creators, it's much simpler. You'll start from the Earn tab in YouTube Studio. When it's time for the AdSense step, YouTube guides you to link an existing account or create a new one. It all happens through YouTube, no code pasting needed. After you've connected everything, all you have to do is wait. Google's team will review your site to make sure it follows all their policies. This can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, so be patient. You'll get an email as soon as they've made a decision.
Let's flip this around and talk about the classic mistakes that get people instantly rejected. Mistake 1. Duplicate accounts. Google's policy is strict. One AdSense account per person. Trying to create a second account is one of the fastest ways to get rejected and can mess up any other accounts you might have. If you think you might have an old one, you need to find and close it first. Mistake 2. Insufficient or low-value content. I know I sound like a broken record, but this is the big one. Applying with a brand new site that only has 5 short blog posts is a guaranteed rejection. Build out your library with valuable, original material before you even think about applying. Mistake 3. Policy violations. Besides thin content, you need to avoid prohibited topics like gambling, adult material, or selling weapons. It also means you can't generate fake traffic by clicking your own ads or using bots. That's a great way to get your account permanently banned. Mistake 4. Incorrect personal information. A mismatched name or address is a huge red flag that will cause payment holds. Double-check that your payee name is your exact legal name and that your address is correct so you can receive your verification PIN in the mail. Don't panic. An AdSense rejection isn't a never, it's a not yet. The email will usually tell you why you were rejected, with reasons like low-value content or site navigation issues. Your job is to take that feedback to heart. Don't just make one tiny change and reapply right away. If it's a content issue, spend the next month writing several more in-depth, high-quality articles. If it's site design, fix your navigation to be more professional and user-friendly. Once you've genuinely fixed the problems, you can resubmit your application. Getting an AdSense account the right way isn't about finding some secret loophole. It's about building a quality platform first and then following the steps carefully. By focusing on valuable content, a clean user experience, and being totally honest in your application, you put yourself in the best possible spot for a first-try approval. If this guide was helpful, subscribe for more videos on growing your online income. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I do my best to help everyone out. Thanks for watching, and good luck.